Hi, in this video I am going to share the recipe of a potato stew which can be made with very few ingredients. See how thick the gravy is. Before starting the video, let's quickly watch the ingredients required. So let's start now. Into the cooker, add oil, and once oil is hot, add ginger and saute it. Saute until it releases a nice aroma. Now the ginger has become slightly brown, so we'll add few garlic pods and saute it. After few seconds, add green chilies as required. Now add onions and salt for few seconds. Adding salt, mix well and saute it. Here we don't need to saute the onions until it is brown. Once the onions are slightly soft, add potatoes and give it a good mix. Mix until everything is well combined. Now add enough water and pressure cook for 2 whistles or until the potatoes are well cooked. Mostly it will be cooked in 2 whistles. At this stage we can adjust the salt if required. Now close the pressure cooker and cook for 2 whistles and switch off the flame. When the pressure has fully released, open the lid. The potatoes are well cooked and mash some of the potatoes to get a thick gravy. Adjust the salt if required. Boil for some more time to reduce the extra water content, as we are going to add the coconut milk too. Now reduce the flame to low and then add coconut milk, otherwise it may get curdled. Do not forget to stir continuously. If you feel the curry is not thick, mash some of the potatoes. Add coconut milk till you get a desired consistency. Now the curry is ready and we'll do a seasoning for it. So into a small pan, add coconut oil or any other oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds and allow to splatter. Now add dried red chilies and followed by curry leaves. Now transfer the seasoning to our curry. Close the curry for 5 minutes and then serve it. Now our curry is ready and this can be served with appam, idiyappam or even with bread also. If you like the recipe, do give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.